Hello everybody, this is Shankar from System-Based Labs. So far in this course, we have built intelligent systems. We designed orchestrators, tools, memory, guardrails, observability and feedback. But now we enter the real world. Production, because a system that works in a demo is not the same as a system that works in production. And this is where most agentic AI systems fail. Let me be very clear. In production, things break. APIs fail. Latency spikes. Agents loop, costs increase, and sometimes systems behave unpredictably. This is not a bug, this is reality. And if your system is not designed for it, it will not survive. Now let's talk about scaling. Scaling is not just about handling more users. It is about handling more tasks, more agents, more tool calls, more data. In agentic AI, scaling means coordinating intelligence at scale. You need task queues, parallel execution, load balancing, distributed agents. Because one agent is not enough. Production systems are networks of agents. Now let's talk about fault tolerance. What happens when something fails? Because something will fail. A tool may not respond. A model may hallucinate. If your system crashes, you lose everything. This is where fault tolerance comes in. You design systems that retry automatically, fall back to alternative tools, gracefully degrade. The goal is simple: fail safely, recover quickly, continue execution. Now let's talk about security. Agentic systems are not passive, they act. They call APIs, they access data, they execute workflows, which means they can also be exploited. You must protect against prompt injection. At System-Based Labs, we design security at 3 levels: model, tool, and system. Because security is not a feature, it is architecture. Now let's talk about cost and performance. Agentic systems can become expensive. Every decision, every tool call, every model execution has a cost. So production systems must balance performance, latency, and cost. You don't always need the most powerful model. You need the right model. In production, you measure everything: latency, throughput, error rates, because what you don't measure, you cannot optimize, and it will eventually fail. A production-grade agentic system is scalable, fault-tolerant, secure, observable, and cost-efficient. Not just intelligent, reliable, because intelligence without reliability is not usable. Most teams focus on making AI smarter. The real challenge is making AI work consistently. We will see you in the next video. Real-world architectures and case studies, where we move from concepts to real systems, from theory to impact, from foundations and the core runtime, where we explored the execution engine, to tools and memory, where we gave agents the ability to act and remember, through guardrails, model strategy, and observability to keep systems safe and traceable. Before we close, let's look at what we have built across these 8 modules. And finally, production hardening, making AI reliable under pressure. This is Shankar from System-Based Labs. See you in the next video. Good luck and goodbye.